Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about language of compare. This is video number 2. As you know, this is advanced English grammar course. And in this course, I have covered more than 27 common and important grammar topics. And we are at this topic are how to compare. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. We are talking about common mistakes with comparatives. The second part of the listening is more difficult as the first one. We are using, we are making comparison. We here we cannot use as in this sentence. The only correct form here is then. The second part of the listening is more difficult than the first one. The second part of listening is more difficult than the first one. No, it is wrong. Is more difficult than that of first one. No, it is also wrong. We only use more difficult than the first one. Comparative or superlative. We can't compare more than two things with the comparative. Instead, we need to use superlative. Ronaldo is taller in the team. We are comparing one person with the whole team, so we cannot use comparative. We need to use superlative. Ronaldo is the tallest in the team. Ronaldo is the tallest in the team. Common errors. We can't use more or most with comparatives that end with er or est. So it will be a double comparative. So don't use. Ronaldo is more taller than Messi. More is to make comparative and taller is also comparative, double comparative. Here it is wrong. Ronaldo is taller than Messi. Of or in. When we use superlative in a sentence and after superlative there is a singular name of a place or group, we usually use in after superlatives. For example, Ronaldo is the tallest. When there is a superlative in the sentence, and after superlative there is a singular name of a place or group, a singular name, a team. I mean a group. It can be a singular place or a group. And after the superlative we will use in instead of. Ronaldo is the tallest of the team. It is wrong. Ronaldo is the tallest in the team. It's a very common error that students make. The Taj Mahal is the oldest building of the city. Here is superlative. Then we have to use one person or one group, one thing. Then we used in. Mostly we use in. The Taj Mahal is the oldest building in the city. I am the youngest in my family. I am the youngest in my family. In my family, not of my family. In my family. With time expressions and plurals we use of. Summer is the longest season of a year. Summer is the longest season of a year. Superlatives, we don't use the. In some conditions we don't use the with superlative when it is used in some special context. Another important point to mention is the use of the before a superlative. Normally we use the Ronaldo is the tallest in the team, so we use in this form. But when we use a possessive before a superlative, we don't need to use the. Is my is possessive and best is superlative. When we use a possessive before a superlative we don't use the. This is my best score ever in an English exam. This is my best score ever in an English exam. So don't use the in this context. Using empty comparatives comparisons. When we when we sorry when we use a comparative, then there should be something in a sentence with whom we are making a comparison. If we don't have other thing of comparison, it is empty comparison, it is wrong. For example, Dr. Chi is less experienced. We are comparing with what? Less experienced than what? Okay, this is empty comparative and this is wrong. Dr. Chi is less experienced than Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith is senior doctor, he is specialist, and Dr. Che is an junior doctor. So Dr. Che is less experienced than Dr. Smith. So here we have two things that we come Dr. Smith and Dr. Che. Here we are comparing Dr. Che with what? With nothing. So it is wrong. Don't make empty comparatives. When we are writing under you are writing under time pressure, so people make these mistakes of empty comparatives also. Strengthen your comparative or superlative. We can strengthen over or emphasize over comparatives and superlatives with adding some extra words like much, a lot, far, even, a bit more, by far the most, by far the least, is easily the best, easily the most. For example, he is by far for example, this my grammar course is by far the most comprehensive course on YouTube. It's my opinion, it could be wrong and I think it is wrong also. Please look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups, like links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. This is my Facebook ID, this is my main ID, and then there are groups also that I so you can send me a friend request, you can send me a message, you can ask me a question, you can join my groups also. So have a nice day, thank you very much, please subscribe, thank you.